24/7. My name is Niharika Walia Bhatnagar, and I am with you with the area of accounting and financial management for bankers. Good evening, everyone. Okay, so this is the beginning of another financial year. I hope this financial year brings prosperity, happiness, and lots of, I would say, health and wealth both in this year. So let's begin with the session today, everyone. I hope you have already given the readiness test, but if you haven't, we'll be meeting for the analysis of the same tomorrow at 8 p.m. So be with me and let's discuss the specific questions in detail. Chali everyone, what am I going to talk about? Today I'm going to talk about the theoretical portion of the banking company. Banking company is a particular chapter which has a lot of theoretical area which has to be covered in detail, but somehow obviously we are looking at the financial statements in detail of a banking company. But what about those small little compliances that we are supposed to take care of? So we'll be talking about those little compliances as well. So let's talk about all those compliances today, everyone. Here comes the topic, banking companies. But before I proceed further, everyone, please share the session, like the session. Don't forget to share it among your peers because it is super important that maximum people join in and we all are able to study our topics properly. Done? Chaliye. Here comes the first question, everyone. Who is required to sign the financial statements of the banking companies incorporated in India? Manager or the principal officer, at least 3 directors, all directors if the number is less than 3, or all of the above. Everyone who's supposed to sign the statements. See, signing these statements is super important because you need to know what is exactly happening in the books of accounts, right? So what is the particular thing that we have is covered in this specific area. So what's going to be the answer, everyone? The MD has to sign, manager has to sign, 3 directors are basically taken that if the number is less than 3, then whosoever is the director, they have to be there. Because actually now one MD is compulsory and along with him, the other people should also agree. So it is based upon the MD and a few more people. That is the other directors who are not MD. So it is all of the above. Before appointing, reappointing, or removing any auditor, what approval is required for the banking company? Government approval, Reserve Bank of India approval, auditor approval, or shareholders approval? Everyone, before appointing and reappointing anyone as an auditor. Auditor is who? Auditor is the person who would check the books of accounts and he's not supposed to improve it. He's just supposed to report it. The actual truth of auditor is called the watchdog, not the bloodhound. That means he's supposed to tell whatever is happening to the CAG, Comptroller and Auditor General of India, but he is not here to correct anything. है ना? That means auditor are those people who are determined in terms of their appointment by ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, but if you want to appoint someone, if you want to reappoint someone, then you need the permission of RBI. है ना? If the RBI isn't allowing, how can we do that? Chale, let's look at the next question. Within what time frame must the balance sheet, profit and loss account and auditor's report must be submitted to RBI? That's an important area question. Everyone, what's the answer to this question? One month, 2 month, 3 month, or 6 months? It is what exactly, everyone? 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, or 6 months? It is normally 3 months, everyone. ठीक है? The answer is 3 months. Chaliye. Now let's look at the next question now. The next question is this. How long can the RBI extend the submission period for the balance sheet and the profit and loss? Normally it is you have to submit within 3 months, huh? But is there any extension allowed? And if allowed, up to what extent it is allowed, everyone? What's going to be the answer, everyone? If you're looking at this part, then the correct answer to this question is up to 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or 6 months. It can be extended up to C part. That is, it can be extended maximum up to 3 months. So you're given 3 months. After that, you're given further 3 months as well. Done? Chaliye. Then let's look at the next question as well. Everybody, oh, I forgot. Everyone, please share the session, like the session, as well as subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it yet. Done, everyone? Isn't it super important to keep that particular part going on? Anna? Chaliye. Let's look at the next question, everyone. As per 2 subsection 3, when we're looking at subsection 2, 2 subsection 3 of the Bankers Books Evidence Act, what is included in the definition of bankers books? Important area: ledger and the cash book, ledger, day book, cash book and account books only, day book, all other books used in the ordinary business of a bank. Everyone? The ones which are considered as the definition of bankers books. The bankers books includes the ledger, it includes the day book as well as the cash book. Okay, this is the answer. Chaliye. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following books are used in slip system of posting the bank? General ledger, cash book, day book, or clearing register? Everyone, when we talk about the slip system, now slip system is when we are talking about movement of something. What is it? When we talk about the general ledger here, na, since we're talking about movement, na, posting in a bank, slip system is used for cash book. Whenever they receive money, they pay money, the money has no specific proof, na, other than the payments there, that is to be considered in this specific area altogether. Done? Chaliye then. Let's move on to the next question. What is the purpose of maintaining a general ledger in the bank? To record all cash transactions, to record total accounts of each ledger, to record day-to-day transactions, or to record all the drafts and bills. We're trying to look at what is the purpose of maintaining a general ledger. The purpose of maintaining a general ledger is basically to record each total accounts of each ledger. Whatever is happening in each ledger, we have to note it down. Done? Chaliye then. Let's look at the next question. Apart from the ledgers and cash books, which other types of books are generally maintained by the bank? Customer complaint register, stationery register, security register, or employee attendance register? We're talking about the cash book, everyone. If we are maintaining cash book, then what else are we maintaining? That means all these things are related to the area of monetary terms, not admin area. है ना? Then what's going to be the answer? That is securities register. Whatever securities anybody would have given, it has to be stated, it has to be saved, it has to be checked, it has to be noted, because if there's any problem in this area, then it can cause a major issue for the organization, isn't it? Chaliye. Done, everyone? Now let's look at the next question. What is the main purpose of maintaining a draft register in the bank, everyone? Where is it that particular point where draft register plays a very, very important role? To record the safe deposit of all transactions, to record dishonored checks, to record the drafts issued. Hanji, done. To record the drafts and received area. Then last is to record the customer complaints related to the drafts. Draft is basically we are keeping a record of the drafts issued and drafts given. It is important to note down na, what are the drafts which are issued or whatever drafts which we are receiving. All these things, see, the draft is basically again a documentation which you should maintain. Every single security or every single document when maintained properly, na, it is helpful for the organization. Done? Chaliye. Next question. Acha everyone, if you haven't subscribed to our channel now, then hurry up and subscribe it right away, because every day we are coming up with such a good content. I think if you look at the entire area, readiness test is here, our regular classes are going on, mini marathons are going on. This is not only for AFM but also for other subjects. The entire faculty is dedicated towards helping you out. Around 2 months before the examination, we are all pumped up and everybody is working hell hard. So please go ahead and recognize us and share the particular sessions with your peer. Along with this, go ahead and like it and subscribe to our channel right away and click on the notification button so that you know when we are coming up with new videos. Acha, here comes the next point, everyone. This is called, what does general ledger in the bank contain? But basically ना, there are two kinds of ledgers. वैसे तो it is again of many types, but general ledger and personal ledger. When a particular person's information is being noted there, it is called individual ledger, है ना? There is personal ledger, and the second one is your general ledger, in which we are recording everything, whatever is happening throughout the day is noticed and considered in this specific area. Okay, so in this case the question is asking control accounts of all the personal ledgers, profit and loss account and assets, control the accounts of all the personal assets, profit and liabilities, control account of all personal ledgers, profit and loss and different assets. See, every single point is confusing. All personal account ledgers, profit and loss account and revenue accounts. In this case we are just noting down the area of assets and liabilities with the all personal ledgers as well as profit and loss account. General controls everything, everyone. That means asset, liabilities, expenses and income. That is the specialization of general ledgers. That includes everything. Done? What are the contra accounts in the general ledger used for? Tracking assets and liabilities, handling agency business transactions, recording revenue and expense transactions, and maintaining customer deposit accounts. What are contra entries accounts in general ledger used for? The contra accounts in general ledger. Why is it used for, everyone? The contra accounts are basically used to handle the agency business transactions. There are certain agency business transactions now which are being done. So we have to keep on noting down, maintaining the books of accounts in order to find out what exactly is happening and what is not. Okay? Then comes what supports each control account in the general ledger. Voucher summary sheets, subsidiary ledgers, cash books, or even the profit or loss account. See, all the questions today are from the banking company theoretical portion. Before I start with the financial statements, I've talked about all those basic things which are confusing. They are indeed very confusing in the examination even. So just go through this particular portion very carefully and note down in one pointer so that you can remember it once we're done with the syllabus there. What supports each control account, everyone? That is subsidy. Subsidiary books, subsidiary ledgers actually gives individual one particular topic into their specific areas. Done? Who prepares the voucher summary sheet in the bank? Those who write the ledgers, department managers, customers, or person other than those who write the ledgers. Voucher summary sheet is maintained by persons other than those who write the ledgers. Vouchers are maintained by someone else. The ledgers are prepared by someone else. These things are reconciled and checked there so that there is no hampering of these particular transactions at all. That makes sense even, है ना? चलिए, then let's talk about the next. Okay, so I think this is where we end the session. But before I end my session, everyone, I hope you have downloaded our app. If you haven't, then hurry up and download our app right away. The time is ticking away. Along with this, let's go to our website and check it out. Let's go to our website, that is www.adda247.com. There, go on to the area of JIB and CIB and go on to the area of JIB May 2024. Everyone, the time is ticking away. go ahead. Last few, I think the very less time is left. They were looking forward towards closing up the sale, but they extended it further, so the time is ticking away. The lowest price deal will be definitely getting an end. So before it reaches the end, get our Mahapacks right, everyone. Because other than Mahapack, there is nothing more better than this, because everything, the classes, the not only the classes, but also the topics of bilingual English medium, numerical batch, crash course, any single batch that we are coming up, all these are included. Be bilingual area, be it in the English medium area, the PDFs of the classes would be there with you. Then you have the mini marathon, Maha marathon, test series individually is available, and at the same time, not only this but ebooks are also available. So endless data is available for you. So if you are planning for JIB and CIB and you are looking forward towards the courses, then hurry up. Lowest price is definitely there and it would end soon. So before it ends, go ahead and grab the